Hello guys, how's it going? What's up? Are fine? Okay, I Shankar Chauhan, nickname Shankar Sir. My channel's name Shankar Sir's Spoken English channel. Today I'd like to start a very interesting topics that plays a crucial part for the young generation and the students of our country are very much curious to learn some skills, how to develop their skills, and so I have decided to give you a nice podcast. Try to listen. Okay? If you would like to listen my speech, then I think you will make sure clear understanding everything else, okay, and perform a great part to communicate in English. Podcast is very important, okay. So right ways to learn English. Today's podcast is right ways to learn English. Please keep in touch, don't go here and there. Please keep in touch to understand my speaking English. And my channel's name is Shankar Sir's Spoken English, and my coaching's name is Real English Point. It is in my mission town near Gulkibari. Okay, you can inform me if you are interested for learning some skills in English from class 6 to honors second year or bachelor third year. Students are only allowed to learn some skills of spoken English, as we have to encourage the students to learn from class 6 to honors third year, second year. Okay, that's only English coaching. Okay, it's also academic and also general education. Okay, my dear students or learners, those are interested to learn some skills, please keep in touch with this board. Right ways to learn English. Okay, first one, use technology. It's very interesting. Use technology. Technology is very important to the age of globalization. Yes, yes. How can we use your technology? You have to use mobile apps. You can use mobile apps. Within these apps, you can easily understand learning English. Okay. Otherwise, you can go for YouTube channel. Many of the YouTube channels are elsewhere in your videos. You can also enjoy YouTube channels to understand English clearly within my new channel. This is my new channel, Shankar Sir's Spoken English. You can also welcome, okay, to learn some skills. And in online course, you can go for online course. So within this technology, a learner can easily attach with the three parts of technology. First one, apps, next YouTube, and online program. Okay, you can develop your skills. Thank you. Number two, practice speaking. Speaking, speaking is very crucial part of our communication. This is the media. It is one of the media of communication and conversation. I think conversation club. You can go for any conversation club. That means you can arrange a conversation club within 4 or 5 friends or 8 groups of 8 members. Okay, every day you will practice your speaking with the present issue or culture or social or any of the religious activities or any of the contemporary society's issues. That means contemporary society's issues মানে present situation. That means you can communicate with your friends, making a conversation club. Otherwise, you can go for admission into a teacher conversation club in English or daily conversation. You have to practice daily. Daily, it may be right or wrong, not a problem. Just you speak. Speaking, speaking. Okay. Now the next one here, video or video diaries. Here, video, you can enjoy a video, English video. Okay, you can listen it and follow the activities of the actor or actresses, how they are approaching, what's their presentation, how they are speaking. You can evaluate their practicing speed, their speaking or presentation skills to change your speaking power. Okay, now go for the next one. This called make reading a habit. Make reading a habit. What is make reading a habit? It's very easy to understand. Simple storybooks. In our time, since 1985 or 88 or 90, we had to practice book reading books. Suppose in our time there was a rapid reader, very small book, short book, rapid reader, and rapid reader. Next one was the Reader Digest. It's very important books for English. Okay, here we could also understand the story writing skills. Okay, we can understand the writer's opinion, what they are speaking, what they are writing, etc. Now the next one, so it's very important. You can collect storybooks in on English. Online news. Okay, modern age is modern age is undoubtedly unforgettable to the blessing of the online news. You can develop your career, you can develop your speaking skills and styles and presentation to follow the online news. What are the speaking, which of the pronunciation is like that, okay? And what type of words are you using, pressure or stress? You can follow my another video, the spelling, okay? Okay, the correct form of spelling or pronunciation, you can follow the another video is already given to my channel. Now the next one is here, online news, blogs or article. You can read an article. Why does the writer has written his opinion, his country style, his country's problem or criticism or any of the discussion, you can read it out easily. Whenever you will read an article, then you have to speak loudly, okay, so that you can make sure to clear understand and your pronunciation that was very squeaky, it will be expanded. Okay. Now the next one is immerse in media. ইমার্সড ইন মিডিয়াম দ্যাট ইজ নিমজ্জিত থাকা। মিডিয়া মানে সিনেমার ভিতরে একটু নিমজ্জিত হওয়া, মনোযোগ দিয়ে একটু সিনেমা দেখতে হবে, ইংলিশ মুভি, ঠিক আছে? ইংলিশ একটা ভালো মুভি চিলড্রেনের জন্য যেটা আছে বা ইয়াং জেনারেশনের জন্য, ইউ ক্যান অলসো এনজয় এ মুভি ফর এন অ্যাডাল্ট। ওকে, নো প্রবলেম। পডকাস্ট, within this media we can also see through this podcast is speaking something is very important. You can develop your surroundings environment by speaking skills. You can listen first and practice speak. Listening podcast, it will make you sure to make clear understand, and your roadmap of speaking will be very authentic. Now the next one, TV show. Within this media you can learn TV show. TV show, you have to listen the news, TV news. TV news you can also listen daily. Okay, you can understand the meaning. You can just idea, make sure to make an idea what the speaker is speaking on. Okay, TV show is very important part. You can enjoy a drama, movie and short stories, many things. Okay, media. This media plays a vital role also, and movies. Media and movies, you can introduce yourself some very boring words. Why? This thing is important. If you do not follow my first video of speaking English, then you will not understand. Here, a movie or media, you can face many complex words, complicated words, or hard or a hard nut to crack. কঠিন সমস্যা হতে পারে কেন why the reason behind the native European, the native American, how they speak, what is the native pronunciation, you don't understand. So before going to this video, you have to go to my first video of native speakers. Okay, whereas you can understand the real pronunciation of the words, how the native speaker is speaking on, what is their pronunciation, how they approach, what's the presentation, you will be able to understand it very clearly. Okay, now the next one, my dear, focus. What is the focus? Focus in writing. As a student or as a new learner or as a beginner of an English language, you have to go through focus on English writing. How a writer writes his writing, what type of idioms and phrases are going to use in his writing, and what type of sentences are to speak very clearly, which words has been presented to the audience or the readers, you will be able to understand easily. So, social media post, you can also read it out to see through their writing skills, how they use the social media post, what type of language are they using nowadays. Now, journaling, you can also make sure to post your writing very small, no problem, but you have to focus your writing theme. How or what are you using? What are you focusing? Just to focus your writing. Online forums, you can make sure to gather a few of the friends, making a good collaboration, starting speaking from today. Okay, then you can chat within English, you can chat within English speaking. Okay, so you have to make sure to gather a few friends while you can also make gossip or English speaking test. It will be very helpful for a new learner to learn better English and efficient. You will be efficient in English speaking. Thank you, my dear viewers. Now, number 6, formal learning option. Formal learning option. Formal means and informal means. What do formal? Formal means the words or sentences that you use within very courtesy, with showing respect to the senior personage. Suppose whenever you have to write a formal application, that means an application we can understand in Bangladesh. Formal application means an application and informal application means a letter. Whenever you will write or addressing as a friend, this is informal, okay? And formal and informal video has already been given to my channel. You can obviously get some important rules and regulations and criteria. What is the difference between formal and informal language? Okay, but here I also make you focus formal learning courses. You can go through any of the English language club, suppose British Council. You can obviously get admission there, British Council, to learn some skills. This is formal learning option, okay? Whereas you will learn some skills. Free resources or tutors. Free resources, there are many free resources on online. You can join within this group and continue speaking. Okay, tutors. Otherwise, you can make add with me to chat with me a few times at night. Okay, to develop your English speaking easily. Tutors. Suppose I am a tutor. I am also teaching English within real English point. This is my videos. This is my channel names. Real English point. Okay, this my channel name is English Real English Choir. Today I'd like to start my topics also. SSC and HSC I have to focus here. But first, second, and third batches admission is going on. Okay, this is Shankar sir. This now is a goalkeeper in Vanishing Town. This is also going on admission, and in full swing I have also started. So, my dear viewers, you can easily get admission to learn some skills to develop your English speaking fluency or efficiency or skills. Now, free resources. There are many free resources like I, and there are the teacher. Those are also expert in English speaking. Those are also teaching the students brightly, and hopefully you will make sure to make a good result in HSC. Okay, in any of the exam. Okay. Now, build vocabulary. Yes. I will go for discussion build vocabulary. Build vocabulary is very important part for the young generation, young learners build vocabulary. That means building a vocabulary is an easy task, is a very easy and essential part of the learners building vocabularies. Okay, here is gone. Okay, my dear viewers, please keep in touch with my channel to learn some skills here. Build vocabulary. Yes. Word of the day. You can write a few of the words or only one word daily to your notebook. Whereas you will understand the meaning and you have to differ the word, what type of parts of the speech it is. What is the noun form of this word? What is the adjective form? Which is the adverb? And which is verb? Just you have to analyze all the parts of a word, finding out from a new communication word. Okay, okay. Then you have to make sure to write four sentences, which is verb, make a sentence, with adjective, adverb, and noun. Okay, that's also the tricks to build your vocabulary very effectively nowadays. Flashcards. Okay, you can gather a flashcard. Yes, this is also you can gather a flashcard. Whereas you can evaluate yourself that what you learn. Suppose here you have to make fold a paper, a sheet of paper, then make note what you write, what you would like to say. Suppose walking, sleeping, running, or any of the game, football, cricket, teaching English, English learning, many of the topics you can choose within this flashcard. That means a piece of card you have to write and try to understand to see the card. What is written here? This is called flashcard. Okay, dictionary apps. Yes, dictionary apps. You have to follow a dictionary, whereas you can also get many apps to your mobile, and you have to download it, and you have to make sure finding out easily which type of parts of this is these sentences, which of the parts of speech, and which is the noun form, which is the adjective form, etc. You can also easily find it out by dictionary apps. Number 8, practice regularly. Yes, at least 30 minutes. I also write it down to the board for my new learner and speaker, new listeners. 30 minutes. You have to practice speaking 30 minutes. Real lifestyle. Real lifestyles, that means what is the real life? Present situation. Real life means the present situation, lifestyle. What are you speaking? Suppose telling lies, mitha. You can start a topic telling lies. Telling lies is a great sin. It is very harmful to our living. Okay, if you tell a lie, you will make suffer. It is a sin. Yeah, you will suffer in the long run. Okay, we have to give up telling lies, etc. Just 10 sentences. 8 sentences, at least 5 sentences first speaking, and the second days you can also develop your speaking 5 or 8 sentences you are going to say, and the next day you will be able to say 10 sentences. So practice, there is no substitute without practicing speaking. So practicing speaking is must. And whenever you will be able to say 5 sentences or first day 3 sentences, then you will go for the 5 sentences and 7 or 10. And one day you will be able, after 15 days, I am sure, after 15 days you will be able to say 20, at least 20 sentences. This is time and technique. Now the next one, leverage exam. Leverage exam means the exam, those are also related to change your lifestyle, as well as in any institution you can go through to learn some IELTS program or TOEFL or job related English. You can get introduced IELTS from British Council, is very well. I've also done well successfully. Any cultural activities you will be able to say or practice, just practicing tips. Public speaking events. What is public speaking? Just you have to follow how they are speaking, what is the events, what is the event of speaking. Event means the daily activities, it may be. Suppose you have already make a dialogue, suppose dialogue. Just two of the friends are also walking and talking about the social problem, the present situation, the political situation, the religious activities of Hindus, Buddhists, Christians, Muslims, etc. And cultural exposure. Cultural exposure, how we have to use a cultural program. Suppose we celebrate every year Pohela Boishakh. How we have to celebrate this program? Try to speak in English, okay? Or anything else it may be. Suppose you have written an application to go for testimonial to your school or college. Just talk about the testimonial with your friends to understand it very clearly. This is the goal to ensure yourself for success. And this is also the right ways to learn English, dear viewers. Please keep in touch with my channel and subscribe with share to your friends and family members so that the young generation can understand it easily. I have also returned from Dhaka to my machine. Why? The reason behind to develop our city. Okay, our CD, not city, city বলবো না, আমরা কি বলবো CD, T এর উচ্চারণটা D হবে, এটা আমাদের উচ্চারণের ক্লাস আছে, ভিডিওতে দেখতে পারবা। তো আমার এখানে within this channel you can also get introduced many important and crucial parts for the students and the new learners, beginners for learning English. Those are also very much curious. I sure I can develop my CD. Students, those are also invited to my channel. You can easily get admission from 6 to honors second year or degree third year, just to learn if I mean good in English. And the spoken English will be free. Okay, spoken English, within spoken English you can get available listening, speaking, reading, writing. Okay, how will be able to understand it clearly, what is platform of speaking, what is the goal of techniques of writing, I will show you very clearly. Okay, my dear students and viewers, thank you, goodbye and good evening for today, and you are invited to see the another channel and enjoy very much. Thank you all.